Best digital marketing tools and resources.
Are you looking for more effective ways to reach your target audience?
Must have digital marketing tools to help you grow. Digital marketing is one of the most efficient ways to connect with customers and promote your brand. There are many digital marketing tools available, but not all are created equally.
Email marketing strategy can be an inexpensive form of advertising if done correctly. Social media management tools, these are designed to make managing multiple accounts easy. Search engine optimization, SEO, when potential customers search for products or services online, they use keywords related to their needs to find what they want. Video sharing platforms. Video sharing platforms allow users to easily upload content and publish videos directly to a platform's website.
Digital marketing tools by strategy.
The best way to start is to set goals for yourself and then figure out what kind of digital marketing tool will help you achieve those goals. Keyword research tools. Keyword research tools help marketers identify which keywords to focus on.
Analytics software. Analytics software allows businesses to collect data about visitors and customers.
Website creation tool. Website creation tools give businesses an easy means of creating beautiful sites without having to hire web design professionals. Pay-per-click advertising. PPC advertising involves paying insignificant amounts per ad view. Content delivery networks. Content delivery networks deliver static content to end consumers such as websites, blogs, mobile apps, and so forth. Mobile app development tools. Mobile app development tools make it easier for anyone with basic coding skills to build a mobile application. Social media monitoring. Social media monitoring allows companies to track all social media activity regarding their brand and audience. Customer service software. Customer service software makes it possible for organizations to handle inquiries from prospective buyers and current clients more effectively. Email marketing services. Email marketing services allow businesses to communicate with existing customers and attract new ones by disseminating promotional material via email. E-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms integrate seamlessly with email marketing solutions. Website design tools. Website design tools let businesses easily create attractive websites without hiring professional web designers.
Stay focused on singular goals and objectives.
Digital marketing is all about creating content that will attract people to your website and keep them engaged.
Know your audience. A good strategy would be to study who your audience is.
Create relevant content that people are interested in.
Get creative.
Keep it short and simple, you don't need to go overboard.
Use keywords. Put keywords in your text.
Tell visitors about yourself, include your company name, location, services, products, contact info, etc. Include call to action buttons. These buttons allow customers to click through to another part of your site before leaving. Provide useful information. Add links to FAQ sections and customer support emails, if applicable. Show off your products. Include photos and videos of your products to create an engaging user experience for your customers.
Understand the power of existing customers. Here are 12 things you should know about them. Current customers are a source of revenue.
That means that when someone buys from you, they're already thinking about you and your service long before they arrive at checkout.
Current customers have excellent customer service. In addition to knowing what they want, consumers also value excellent customer service. They've learned who you are already.
Consumers have learned to associate certain brands, logos, colors, and language with high quality, even if that isn't true.
They don't buy from big brands anymore.
The rise of e-commerce has created a significant shift in how consumers shop for products.
They value loyalty over newness.
We all love getting our hands on the latest gadgets, but research shows us that we're willing to pay a premium for loyalty over novelty.
Their expectations have changed.
According to a recent study from the American Express Open Innovation Lab, 48% of millennials say that they will not return to a store because of bad communication between employees and customers. Using social media can help your company get noticed and increase traffic to your site.
They want high-quality content.
According to a report issued by Market Research Hub, there are approximately 3 billion monthly social media users worldwide. Of those, 300 million people generate 75% of their total daily news consumption via social networking platforms.
They've become more connected.
Consumers live busy lives, and they rely on technology to keep them connected.
They are interested in influencers. You might think that influencer marketing is just for celebrities and professional athletes. They prefer video to text. They understand branding better than you think.
While this strategy certainly works well for some businesses, many others struggle to articulate exactly what makes their product or service different.
Using customer testimonials to improve your credibility with examples. Build trust between you and your potential customers. Here are 3 tips to get you started. Remember that people are buying from you based on your experience. Be honest, but not too honest.
Don't give out personal information online. Identify your buyer persona. The first step to creating a successful campaign is understanding who your target audience is. To overcome this problem, you can use buyer personas to identify common characteristics among buyers.
Form industry partnerships. The best way to build a successful brand is by partnering with others who share your values and vision. You can also form partnerships with organizations whose members share similar values. Here are some examples of industries that partner together. Medical device companies work with hospitals and doctors. Telecommunications providers reach out to schools.
Automobile manufacturers partner with dealerships.
Partnership agreements can cover a wide range of topics. Here are some examples of diverse types of contracts. Distribution agreements. Service agreements.
Employee/vendor relations.
Trademark use. Intellectual property rights.
Local SEO. If you don't know where your customers live, it's hard to target them directly. As previously mentioned, you can set up Google My Business listings on the web and mobile devices to show information about your business.
Host classes and events.
Run informative webinars.
They're also a fantastic way to build relationships with potential customers and partners.
If you want to run a successful online seminar, it's important to plan. Plan. The more preparation you put into your online seminar, the better. Schedule. Make sure you set aside enough time to present the content efficiently and effectively. Be professional. Even if you feel nervous about presenting online, keep your cool. Host. Choose an easy-to-use platform that makes it simple for others to join your event.
Tag people and brands on social media.
If you decide to follow a strategy of tagging others, here are some tips that can help.
Don't tag people who aren't willing to reciprocate or who won't like seeing themselves tagged. Be careful who you tag.
Use hashtags strategically.
Keep it brief.
Consider adding links to other pages or websites.
Share regularly. Provide value.
Tagging someone doesn't mean you give them full access to your profile.
Host a social media contest or giveaway. Here are a few ideas to get you started.
Offer prizes or discounts for following your social media accounts. Encourage fans to create original artwork, videos, or music and submit them to your page. Hold a competition for people to design a logo for your company.
Tips on smart digital marketing strategies. Plan your campaign before you start.
Make sure your campaign has a clear purpose and a call to action that encourages your target audience to act.
Use compelling visuals. Launch business pages on Facebook and Yelp.
This way you can build a relationship with your contacts, who will hopefully become repeat buyers.
Offer rewards for referring clients. Offer discounts or freebies to referrers. Start using video marketing.
Digital marketing is all about using online tools to reach potential customers. Video marketing is extremely effective because it allows you to connect with your audience on so many levels. This means that content shared via video is seen by many more people than simply reading something aloud would do. Videos are powerful. The only thing better than watching a customer interact with your brand is doing it yourself. In fact, studies show that 90% of marketers believe face-to-face interaction with consumers leads to higher conversion rates. Try out marketing experiments, a fantastic way to test innovative ideas and see what works best.
They're usually short-term and involve slight changes to your strategy. You can also send out surveys to customers asking them which products and services they use.
This is where SEO becomes useful. It's easy to make sure that your site has good visibility in search engines, but using keyword optimization tools such as Google Ads and Bing Ads are another breathtaking way to take advantage of keywords and improve traffic. Therefore, most videos include a combination of images, graphics, animation, music and/or narration. Conclusion.
There are many digital marketing strategies.
Just 1 year ago, our company did not have a blog, so most visitors who visited our website would either reach out to us via email or chat-based services to learn more about products offered by us.
Our company is unique because we are offering innovative technology.
Most of the other businesses that we were targeting were considered small businesses, so it was easy for us to educate our customers and show them value in what we do as a service provider by adding content periodically. If there isn't any new added content within a week or even less than that, if it's possible, then you can feel the impact on organic website traffic from an SEO standpoint. One of the things we have learned over the years is that a successful company will be different due to those mistakes, new strategies, and continuous measuring. The difference was those trivial things, specifically measures that might not seem like they affect your overall strategy but are the ones which make you unique as a business.